You won't believe what you can get for $1 from Aliexpress. This product, it says, is the newest wide-angle HD car rear view camera, rear view video vehicle camera, backup reverse camera, 12 LED LEDs, night vision parking camera. Oh, you can choose with 12 LEDs or with 4 LEDs. And it says that it can cover 140 degrees, flat angle 170 degrees. It has 480 TV lines, working current from 0.1 to 0.3 amperes, and ratio 48 decibels, operating voltage DC 12 volts, waterproof level IP68. That is good. And I got it. I can't believe it. $1 for car rear view camera. $1. A coffee is a $1. Oh, that is feeling nice. And here it is. It's not digital, it's analog car camera that you can mount on your vehicle. This is the camera with the 4 LEDs. We have DC power jack for 12 volts input, and this is the RCA jack that gives video output that will go to the video monitor, or maybe if you have a car stereo with backup camera function, that this will work. Okay, let's test it. I'm gonna test the camera on my latest DIY adjustable power supply that I upload a video a couple of days. You can check that. And I'm using a portable battery. It's a drill battery. Turn it on. I'm gonna set on 12 volts. Alright. And see how much current is drawing this camera. Alright. The LEDs are turned on, and it says that it's pulling 0.098 milliamperes. That is, as the manufacturer says, 0.1 amperes. Okay, turning off. Here I have my 9-inch LCD TV for testing, and I'm gonna connect the $1 car rear camera to the monitor so you can see the quality. Just to plug in my adapter, 9 volts. Okay, where is it? Okay, turning on from behind. And because both RCA jacks are female, from the camera and from the monitor, I need a short cable to connect them together. Alright, now I'm set. To mention one more time, this camera is powered by my portable adjustable power supply. You can check the video in description below how I made that. And turning in 3, 2, 1. 12 volts. Nothing, because I need to choose the input. Oh, HDMI AV. Why? Whoa! Is the connector. Hello. this is good. And also it have these two lines for parking, and which is nice feature. And how it looks. And everything is reverse. Look, you can read it, it's reverse. Alright. The quality is, as the manufacturer says, 480 TV lines VGA. Okay. Maybe you want to see my boom boxes. I think it's good for the money. $1 for car rear camera. My gold play button. From Aliexpress. For $4.58 you can get this product. Hi-Fi sound, intelligent noise reduction, Bluetooth 5.3, wireless Bluetooth earbuds or headphones, and just look the design, it's awesome. And I can't believe it that, wow, power bank, Type-C plug, big LED screen shows power, memory pairing, low power consumption. For $4 you can get this awesome looking, the model is M25, wireless headphones, earphones, Bluetooth 5.3, touch control, noise reduction, stereo earbuds, headset. They look awesome. And I got them. I will put a link in the description below so you can check them. Bubble wrap. What it says on the package: built-in 2 powerful modes, games and music. Just click on the headphones, easy switching. They can be gray, silver, gold or red color. And here it says wireless version 5.3, wireless profiles, transmission distance 10 meters, charging time about 2 hours, that is good, standby time 280 hours, music play about 5 hours, earbuds, input 5 volts 1 amp, output 5 volt 1 amp, Siri voice call, HD voice, waterproof, high capacity. Let's open the box now. What I get: the short USB Type-C cable, replacement rubber pads. Wow, these look futuristic, like out of space. It's plastic. It looks like a metal, but it's plastic. At bottom we have the output USB 1 ampere power bank, and this is the Type-C connector for charging. Game headset, M25 model. Here goes the one. Red light meaning it's charging. And it's simple, and I like it. It's magnetic. Okay, left charging, right charging. And here we have a RGB light. And take a look at the LCD display. I know that you are seeing just like a flickering on the display, but in real time or real life that you can be Spotify. We have left voltmeter, meter, right the charging meter for the earbuds, and here it says be loud, be proud. It says that it's 95% on the station, and these panels are for the earbuds. We have RGB LED light. Wow, looking awesome, man. And they look very cool for $4. I can't believe it. Just to kill the lights so you can see in darkness. You can see the RGB light from both sides for nice looking effect. The front panel with the LCD display looking good, and the earbuds. Still I can't believe it, $4 to make this awesome product. Wow. Okay, let's connect with the smartphone now. Here they are, M25, connecting. They are not turned on. I need to hold this. Double tap. I don't know. Maybe I need to remove it from the dock. Yes. Connecting. Connected. Nice. Now are they connected? Well, are they on the dock? Can be connected for sure. Right now the both of earbuds are working, and here it have the touch. When you press it, the music start to play. When you touch again, pause, and when double touch for the next track. Yes, working fine. Like, can you hear them? Okay, I'm gonna put in my ears right now. Also, they have a microphone for accepting calls. Pause. I am not a sound expert, but they sound decent for the money. $4. And I test the distance. Yes, it's above 10 meters. I like them. Yes. They are too good for the money. And right now they are playing. And what will happen if I put on the dock? Oh, wrong side. They turn it off. And now they are charging. Very nice. I need to remove the protective sheet very carefully. Alright. Much better. Oh, I need to test the charging and the power bank. My super great LCD doctor with LCD screen. I'll put a link for this product also in description below. And let's charge them. It's 93% and right now it's charging with 350 milliamperes. Alright. let's try to charge the phone. Removing. This will go right here. Will it give a 1 ampere of output power? Let's find out. Charging 290 milliamperes. It starts with 500, I see that, but in the same time the earbuds are charged. Let's remove that. Nope, it's the same, 290 milliamperes. And take a look the percent of the battery inside, 88. It's falling very fast because the capacity probably is, I don't know, 200, 300 milliamperes. But for emergency, will do the job. Look how easy it is to put them to charge. Very magnetic, with futuristic design. I like them. For $4 I'm gonna use them and see how they will run. Alright. Take a look what you can buy from Aliexpress. And it comes in blue, green, red color. And what is it? It's a USB car charger socket, dual 3.0, quick charge, 12 volts, 24 volts car adapter with LED digital voltmeter. And it's not $1, it's $8.59, but it's very smart thing. And the second thing that I ordered is this DIY mini digital voltmeter, 22 millimeters round AC from 12 volts to 500 volts AC voltage. Remember that, voltage tester meter monitor. And it comes in orange, green, blue, white. $1. With welcome deal is $1, but the regular price is $1.55. And I got them both. What cute gadget. This is the AC voltmeter. And here it is, the DC car socket voltmeter with USB. Okay, let's continue with this guy. As I said, it's a car plug socket that can show the battery voltage right here, the amperes, and it have quick charge 3.0 USB plug. This is the rubber. Behind is marked where goes the positive, where goes the negative wire. And let's turn on. Negative. Let's try this way. Positive. Oh, awesome looking. 12.4 volts. That is the voltage that I'm sending from my power supply, and 000 amperes. Looking nice. This way can be seen. Alright. It's a simple device, but very practical. Why? Because it shows the battery voltage, and at the same time, when you plug in some phone or other thing in the USB, you will read the current. And by the way, this is my latest electronic load that I made it. I have a full video, check in my channel, plug in, and right now it's pulling 480 milliamperes it shows, with one row. I'm gonna turn the second row. Come on. 1.1 amp. Will it give 3 amperes as it says on the specs? Third row. 1.8 volts. Look, 3 rows. Okay. 2.5 amperes. Doing great job so far. And the last one, yes, 3.2 amperes is giving 3.2 amperes, and the voltage little bit dropped to 12 volts. It was 12.4, I think. Yes. Alright. This is good. 000. Simple device, but very useful, as I said. And this quick charge 3.0 can deliver 3 amperes of power. Alright. I like it. Okay, and the next gadget is this one. Come on, man. Alright. It's a AC voltmeter that can work from what it says 20 volts to 500 volts maximum AC voltage. At bottom there is a connectors for connecting the AC wires, and let's do that first. I connect the 2 wires, AC wires, neutral and live, and like this. Plug in 3, 2, 1. Yes, 230 volts. Looking nice with that orange color. Okay, this is a great gadget for monitoring the AC voltage in your home. Okay, let's measure the voltage with my multimeter and compare is the same. Okay, here I have my multimeter. Is set on AC voltage. On this voltmeter show 230 volts. Let's measure 234. It's pretty close. 234, 232 on the panel socket. That is correct. I like it. In my left hand I'm holding the AC voltmeter, that is $1, $1.5 from Aliexpress, and in my right hand I'm holding the DC voltmeter socket with amperes that shows on the USB. Both of them are nice gadget. The links will be in description below. From Aliexpress, take a look what I have ordered, and I'm glad that I ordered. And what is it? It's a professional digital smart multimeter, 9999 counts, true RMS, AC DC current voltage detector, capacitance temp, auto range multimeter, and you can get with welcome deal for $9 or regular price is $33, and there are several types. And I forgot to mention, it's a USB rechargeable multimeter. That thing you don't see every day. It's a rechargeable battery inside, so you can charge it with the Type-C cable. It comes with probes and with the temperature probes, but I choose with probes and the charging USB cable, that is model ZL126B USB type. Alright. And I got it. Smart digital multimeter model ZL126B, and it says that measure AC DC voltage, frequency, diode, non-contact voltage test, firewire, capacitance, beep off, resistance, temperature, and low pressure reminder. And it comes with bag for keeping your very cute multimeter. We have the Type-C charging cable for the multimeter. The probes, they are nice. Alright. Come on, man. What's wrong? Okay. The user manual. Okay. And the multimeter itself. Oh, feeling nice. And what it says in the specification, it have a extra light, measure capacitance measurement, temperature measurement. Alright, it's out of function, rechargeable, 1000 milliamperes rechargeable battery. That is great. Non-contact voltage, current measure. I don't know that is this model I order is with current. Nope, this one is without current measurement. $9,999 counts. Alright. AC DC current, AC DC voltage, USB charging, 5-wire identification, true RMS, capacitance, function generator, contact, temperature, resistance, diode, on-off beep, non-contact AC voltage, frequency measure, data hold, flashlight. This thing is a beast for the money. In user manual it says that the battery is inside, so you need to remove the lid so you can access the charging port. And yes, the battery is inside the multimeter, but here it is, the charging port for the USB cable. And let's try charging. And yes, we have the red LED light, meaning that it's charging. Nothing shown on the display. That LED will turn off the red and the green or blue light will turn on. Okay. How much current is pulling while charging? My USB adapter. Plug in. Red LED light, and it's charging with 500 milliamps. Alright. Let's turn on in 3, 2, 1. What? Take a look at the LCD display. Whoa! I like it. I need to wait. 123 grams, and that in ounces is 4.3 ounces. Alright. Here it shows the room temperature. And we have one button on the side for powering off and on, and 4 buttons at the front. We have a hold and light, select, non-contact voltage and hold for the readings, live detection, diode and capacitance. As I say, this model is without current measurement, instead can measure diodes and capacitance, and is rechargeable. Let's take a look at function. Right now it's on auto mode. You can manual change it. This is measuring ohms, beeping signal, DC voltage, AC voltage, and also will show the hertz, the frequency right here. That is the second display. And once again at auto. When you hold this button, there is a light at front, which is nice. Turn it off. We have capacitance. This is live wire, so you can check live wire with the probes, and non-contact voltage. Nice feature. And the brand is ZLL. This is J meter with auto power off. Let's measure something. First thing that I will test is the continuous or beeping signal. Okay. And let's choose in auto. It's not super fast, but it's working fine. On auto, let's measure this 9-volt battery. 8.4549 volts. To compare with the Fluke digital multimeter, 8.53, and this one is 8.49. Yes, it's close. A resistor 2.2 kilo ohms. It says 2.150. Let's measure with the Fluke. 2.150. It's the same, 2.154 kilo ohms. Continuity testing or the beeping signal. And now with the Fluke, look, it's much faster, but it's alright. Let's test a DC voltage now. Okay, this portable power supply is giving 11.6, it says on the voltmeter. Let's measure with the new multimeter. What it says, 11.5. Okay, and with the Fluke, 11.55. Great. Now I'm gonna test this AC voltage, 220 volts. Select on AC. What it says, 237 volts. You can see that, and it says 50 Hertz. That is a nice feature, that in the same time you can read the voltage and the frequency. Alright, and let's measure with the Fluke. Set on AC. It's the same, 237. .237 volts. is the same. I like it. Okay, next that I will test is the non-contact voltage. And it's detecting. Working very well. Okay, now I'm gonna test the live. Okay, with the positive probe. I'm on live or not? I'm on diode. This is live. Okay. Yes, we have live wire detected and the other no. Look, it's beeping. The all three LEDs, green, yellow, red, are showing that it's detecting live wire and it's dangerous. In user manual it says that it can measure capacitance range from 500 nanofarads to 60 microfarads. Let's check that. In my hands I'm holding 560 nanofarads. I'm gonna measure that. Come on, man. What it says? Oh, I need to change the probe on the left side where it says capacitance and diode. Okay. Okay. Try again. 500 nanofarads. Alright. And also can measure diodes. Where are my diodes? Here I have a Schottky. Let's measure for change to diode. Where is it? Here it is, a sign for diodes. 0.32 voltage drop. And the other way. Nope, this way. It's good, working fine. I select resistance and let's check the resistance between the probes. 0, 0. That is nice. Okay. By the way, the display is always turned on so you can see the numbers. And why I will love this multimeter. It have a rechargeable battery. This is my first multimeter with rechargeable battery. And I have never have a multimeter with rechargeable battery. That is very practical and useful. Okay. It's handy, you can see. Sits perfect in your hand, it's not heavy. Turning off, hold it, turning on. It have a light, which is nice feature. It shows the temperature of the room. Everything you need for measuring in electronics. I like it. I will put a link in the description below so you can check it. And that was all in today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Rechargeable. Come on, man.